Every grandma has a meatloaf recipe they're positive is the best, and chances are you agree. A mixture of ground meat and spices, often with a sweet sauce and some breadcrumbs thrown in, this loaf-shaped meal is the perfect dish to dig into a blustery winter's eve. With its origins dating to the 5th century, meatloaf gained popularity during the Great Depression as a way to stretch the meat budget. But that's not why we eat it now, and it's certainly not why we go back for seconds, thirds, and possibly fourths if nobody's looking. The first thing, you want to preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven is just preheated. You want to take 9 by 13 inch baking pan, overlap it with aluminum foil. If you have a loaf pan, it is completely up to you. So to get started, I have 1 pound that I'm going to be using lean ground beef, or you can have with lean ground veal or lean ground pork. Now I'm also going to put 1 large egg. I'm using a half a cup of Italian style breadcrumbs. You can use any type of dry breadcrumbs if you can. It is completely up to you. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, and ground black pepper according to taste. Now get your clean hands and smush it around. Oh yeah, I also forgot to put a 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. Alright, we got the meat just smushed around. We're going to put it into the prepared pan. And you want to form it into a loaf shape. After I just line with aluminum foil, just overlap it. If you have a loaf pan, if you can go ahead, just put that right in. Alright, I form into a loaf, and now we're going to make a sauce. We're going to make a sauce for next. I have it in a medium bowl. I'm going to put in a half a cup of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of firmly packed light or dark brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm just going to give this to a whisk to stir everything around. And now we're ready to assemble. You want to pour the sauce onto the firm loaf. I'm going to grab this spoon to spoon that one. Oh, it's gonna drip over here there. I'm just gonna give this a spread. Just want to cover with a loaf. Once you cover that, you're going to put it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright then, after just about 45 to 50 minutes, I just took it out of the oven, put it on the wire rack. You want to just let it stand for 5 minutes before you get it served. And here's the finished homemade meatloaf. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. View always before sharing. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Don't forget, you got to serve with some mashed potatoes on the sides or other cooked veggies. I like to serve with some lasagna. It's going to be great for meatloaf. As always, enjoy.